Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert link into PDF. It's really simple and easy. First of all, open your Google Chrome and then in the search bar, you have to search for Web to PDF Convert. Tap on this search bar and then you will see this result here, Web to PDF W2P. Just simply click on this website and when you are here, you can easily convert a web to PDF. To do this, what you have to do is come here and then you have to put your URL on or the link here. After pasting the link, just simply come here to this arrows and just simply press on it, and as you can see it is converting it into PDF, and then just simply tap on this download the converted file. So as you can see our PDF is downloading. Now you can click on open and you can easily see your PDF. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to convert link into PDF. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.